everyone, Renee here, and today's video is going to be about something that I've actually been really into recently, which is multi-masking or face zone masking, something that I kind of resisted for a while only because I thought maybe it was just a little too fussy. But now that I've tried it, it's one way to sort of have it all in a flash treatment that's only 15 minutes, and it's pretty entertaining, to be honest. For me, I want the cleared out pores that are less visible, but I also want that extreme brightening so my pallor doesn't resemble, you know, a gargoyle. But I also want the invigorated skin. I want the energized skin and that really wonderful sort of fresh glow. So when Lord & Taylor asked me to choose some products for this partnership, I just went straight for the masks. So today I'm sharing with you my current favorite face zone masking combination. They're actually quite powerful. A couple of these I already love, and there are a couple of new masks that have just blown my mind. So I multi-mask according to my face zones. My nose and the area around it tends to be congested, full of blackheads, and quite porous. My cheeks and forehead tend to be dull, flaky, not smooth and soft, and my under eyes they just need help. My lips are tragically dry, there's some fine lines and some peeling and flaking, and depending on the time of the month, my jaw can be pretty acne prone. So after cleansing, I always like to start with a first treatment essence or toner. I just feel like it really helps the masks work better. Eye patches always go on first. I'm a big fan of the Advanced Night Repair masks. The Power Foil one is still one of my favorites. And I love these eye patches, they work just as effectively. The serum and the eye patches are separated for freshness, so you have to press down on the liquid chamber to bust that seal and release the serum into the pads. Massage the package to make sure that the pads are fully saturated, and then leave it for a few minutes. There's always precious excess serum that I don't want to waste, so I like to dab some under my eyes before I apply the mask so I can get as much in there as possible. When you apply this, it is immediately cooling and refreshing. You're supposed to use this at nighttime, which makes it great for tired eyes at the end of the day. And even after you remove this and the serum is sunken in, it works throughout the night, just like the Powerful mask. And in the morning, you wake up to seriously hydrated skin under the eyes that look just rejuvenated. This depuffs, it brightens, it plumps out the fine lines and smooths the skin out. This next mask from Kiehl's blew my mind. This is the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing and Radiance mask. I was drawn to it by the name and what's in it. It just sounds like what I need, and it's really powerful. The turmeric and cranberry seeds are both pretty visible in this formula. Oh, and you don't have to worry about this temporarily staining your skin yellow because of the turmeric, like a DIY mask would. This rinses off completely clean. I apply this to my entire face, leaving a space for the nose and a margin around my lips. The minute this goes on, it tingles in the most glorious way. It's not that irritating tingle, it's just refreshing and cooling, and I feel like it's just energizing my skin, waking it up. The minty extracts in here are what give it the refreshing factor. This antioxidant mask also has kaolin and some bentonite clay, and also jojoba oil. And this is absolutely not drying at all. It's not moisturizing either, it's just balancing, and it makes your skin feel clean, bright, smooths out the texture. This next mask is even more powerful than the Kiehl's in terms of like drawing out impurities, and this is what's going to go on my nose because it needs it. It's the Dior Hydra Life Pores Away Pink Clay Mask. This is my absolute favorite out of all the 3 Dior masks, purely for its effectiveness. You get immediate results, and as far as pink clay masks go, which are really popular right now, this is as good as it gets. This deeply draws out impurities and buildup, and I put this on last because you don't need this on your skin for very long for it to work. The texture of this is so luxurious and creamy, it's great for all skin types. Sometimes I will use this around my chin and jaw area when I can feel congested little bumps forming and it's sort of problematic, and it just takes care of everything. Next is a special treat that I don't do often, which is the lip patch. This is so comforting and such hydrating relief for the area around my mouth and my lips. It's full of antioxidants, peptides, niacinamide, and hydrators. It doesn't taste like anything, and my lips always feel so soft afterwards. And what I especially like about these ones from Pathology is that you can still talk or even drink something through a straw while you have this on. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, or the time it takes for my turmeric mask to dry, I start to remove everything, patches first. After removing them, if I find that there's any remaining serum on the skin, I will gently pat it in. For the Dior Pores Away mask, I add some water and massage it into a creamy fine foam, which further helps cleanse the area before rinsing off with water. The turmeric mask is slightly more challenging to remove. It's definitely worth the effort though. And that's it, 10 minutes and my complexion is transformed. The effects of the masks, the tightening, cool, and tingly sensation lasts for a while after removal, and it's really refreshing. My skin feels alive, energized, my pores are clean, the texture is smooth and soft, skin looks brighter. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, I'm wishing you great skin health. Bye!